What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's time. It's time, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I've never had more emails and DMs about when we're starting the 3-valve swap than I really thought the 2-valve, the Edge car swap would have been more popular. But everybody's been like, when are you starting the 3-valve swap? So here we go, guys. This is the actual car. This is owned by Steve's Fab Shop, and we're gonna make it fast.
Faster, yeah.
Yeah, definitely faster. So this is a 07 California Special convertible, and super cool car, but it just didn't have the sauce. You know, it needs the sauce. Steve wanted to go fast, and so that is the plan. Guys, real quick, if you're new to the channel, if you're here for the 3-valve swap and you did not see part 1, this is the engine. This is a 2013 Mustang engine, Boss intake, doing stainless works headers and mid pipe, power by the hour bracketry on the front for the air conditioning and power steering. Yes, it will have air and power steering. You can see right here all the power by the hour brackets, and then this is probably the first harness from Power by the Hour to do the 3-valve swap. And again, just like I said in the first video, guys, we're going to walk you through all of this. We're going to go step by step. Whatever, you know, anything that we come across, we're going to bring it to you. And this car will drive out of here under coyote power. All right, so obviously step 1, remove the old 3-valve.
Get up out of here. And this goes to the fuse box on the engine harness. Right there.
Okay, so basically, and guys, we'll show you on the Power by the Hour harness, but it's got that part too. So essentially, it's just kind of redoing the fuse box. So yeah, we'll cover all the wiring using the original transmission. Are we even gonna swap the clutch or just let it ride?
No, we put a new clutch in.
Put a new clutch in, yeah. That, I mean, you don't have to, guys. If you're on a budget, I would highly recommend it because you're in there, and Coyote's gonna make quite a bit more power. But hey,
Yeah, put a clutch in.
Yeah. Wait a little extra while and save up a little extra and go ahead and save yourself the trouble of doing it again. But obviously, just draining the fluids and get this old 3-valve out of here. Okay, guys, another helpful tip: undo the ball joint. When you're doing this, you can leave all your brake lines hooked up too, so it's gonna simplifies it. So far, power steering and brakes, 2 things you don't have to bleed or replace fluid in. That'll save you a ton of time. All right, guys, just about that time.
Yeah.
Got everything pretty well unhooked. Again, undo the ball joints, tie rods, just leave the brake lines hooked up. Just gonna sit everything on stands here and lift the car up off of it. Everything's connected up here. Oh, it's moving. Hopefully we got enough weight up front here.
Oh, just flexed on us.
Yeah, I'm wondering though. Wonder if this sway bar is not gonna have to come out.
Maybe alright. It's all bolts.
All right. I'm trying to come up.
You try, huh?
So what about that? Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
What about here? Those all. Yeah. That should be all right. Yeah. Those lines will go with the motor or staying with the car?
It's going with the motor.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah.
Still good?
Yeah. We good. Oh, yeah. Clutch line and fuel line.
Oh, not good.
Yeah, we good.
All right. Yeah! She's out! Oh, love it! Time to get the put this transmission.
You may not like living behind a coyote, but this is, you know.
Yeah. Actually, the 3650s are pretty freaking solid. If not, ship it off to Handling. Build it like they built mine.
Yep.
There it is. Whoa. Yeah, Alex always shows up when the work's done.
Well, we had to go to Steve's, you know.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's it.
There it is.
She's out.
I thought you bring me something good.
I need to see you breakdance, is that?
Breakdance for what? Kick the lift a little bit to the other side there. Yeah, hold it a little bit. The wheels.
Yeah, I can get it.
Kick it more right there. There you go. There.
No more 3-valve. All right, guys, going back together and using the exact same motor mounts came with the car. Right there, same bolts, same mounts, everything. Guys, real quick, if you look at the intake ports on the heads compared to the 3-valve, that's a pretty amazing difference. Starting the wiring here, just go ahead and pull the, I guess you'd call it the battery harness, but it's got battery connector, alternator, O2s.
Goes to the transmission.
Goes to the transmission. And I think that's...
I believe the one he said we got from Power by the Hour is a GT500 harness.
Okay.
For the transmission.
GT500 factory harness. You got a ground up there on the thing. But as you can see, right here, got your battery, connectors, alternator, all that good stuff. You can go ahead and pull that harness out.
Let's get a power going to the fuse and the ground here.
Yep. Power and ground. Then that whole harness should pull out. Yep. Okay.
So that's that with the motor over.
That's the harness you pull out. And we can go ahead and put the new one in, I guess.
Put the new one in.
Yeah. There it is. Battery to the ground is still there. Got the lead to the fuse box.
Well, the ground is a different spot, I guess.
Well, the one up there by,
there it is,
yeah.
I guess it is going to reach on it.
Right there.
Pay attention now.
That one goes to your fuse box, and then, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I got through.
Looking good.
Come on.
Pretty straightforward so far.
Paying attention, man?
Yep.
Get there. Right there. Let's see where all this shit's going. Anti-starter.
102.
Oh, my bad.
That's going to go under. This is going to come over here to our computer. This is going to go here. Look at there.
Look at there. Got all the Christmas trees and everything.
Damn.
That one goes there. Look. There's a hole in the battery box there for that one. Oh, that very good.
Gotta love it.
Yeah.
About this one. Better be paying attention. I see. Right there.
Okay, so what do we got here?
Yes, this is what's going to make the magic happen. 3-valve connector goes to the body harness. It's already here. And it's got this one to the body harness. So you didn't include the body harness.
Okay, so it's essentially like a
that's
jumper.
Definitely it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll have this one going to the PCM. And then this one should hook to this one, because this is the trans harness, so these two are hooked together. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And that's essentially.
And then this will go to the fuse box, and then your normal engine harness, mass airflow.
That's the pedal.
Yeah,
That
you got
long
pedal
one's the
one.
pedal.
Yeah. I think this is the pedal one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. What's this long one here? Okay, mass air. Damn, that's long. All right, time to throw on some power by the hour AC brackets.
Let me see that German Army knife.
German Army knife. That's all that is to it right there, boys. Your AC brackets. Not much to it.
You already got the power steering on.
Yeah.
We'll do the alt number once.
Show you power steering over here. Got that bracket already on. Alright guys, quick note. Your stock 3-valve AC compressor hardware is too long to work.
5 hours too short.
And the power by the hour bolts are too short. Alright, did it the old fashioned way, cut them down to about 4 inches exactly. And as you can see, that's right, is you can either go buy some or you can cut them down, whatever you want to do. But
about 5/8 inch off.
yeah, about 5/8 of an inch. You can see where it was coming up right there, so it wasn't a whole lot, but that'll work just perfect.
Take the back of the train.
It's gonna click down over it.
Yeah.
Here, now we'll go with the train. A little bit crooked.
I talked to myself.
That dick was torquing me. You get no easier than that, huh?
That's a good idea, putting that jack on.
Yeah, 100%. I just look the whole thing up.
Simple of
Boom. Yeah, it's gonna have to.
Good, man.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Probably gonna have to come up just a little bit more.
We had to put that in.
Yeah, a little bit more. It's still going. A couple more. That should be it right there.
Headers ain't gonna clear, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be close. Yeah, they'll clear.
Yeah, you want to go up some more. You almost there, huh? Hold on. Oh, you already in the car? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold this up.
Give me that thick mat right there. Come on with it.
Watch these jack stands here.
Yeah, what's the jack stands as you get in?
Yeah, you're clear.
Ease her down a little bit.
You like about
Oh,
5-6 inches.
don't like much on the driver's side. Driver's side about right there.
I can swivel it to get it.
Yeah. That's it.
Ooh, I'm sliding.
Come on down.
Hold on, hold on.
Or no.
I'm sliding.
We're on this one.
All right, we good on that.
Yeah, just trying to
Oh, what's the
move.
K memory? No, knock it off. Hold on.
That's it. That's in.
Come down.
Are we on the jack stands everywhere?
Hold on, come on down.
Hold on, man. I get this pin in over here. He's on top. There it is.
All right.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
All right, boys. So there you go. That was
Is this?
that's a whole heck of a lot in one day.
Yeah, just laying there on the.
This way right there.
Essentially, she is
No, yeah.
she's ready to go in.
Welcome back.
So the clutch is on, the AC compressor's on, power steering pump's up there. It's going with the car. We'll put
We're gonna put it on before we put it back.
Yeah.
With all this stuff.
Right. Trans is on. Motor mounts in. All right, boys, we're gonna leave it right here. That we've gotten. I didn't even think I was gonna get this far today, but
I did.
well, you knew. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much ready. Bronte's getting the starter on, power steering pump is on, AC's on. That's about it. So keep it tuned right here. We will have part number 3. Again, y'all, not much to it. We'll go back over the wiring, and then we got to deal with the fuel system. That's basically it. Nothing to it.
So far, so good, huh?
Yeah, no issues other than, you know, some short bolts and stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back.